Okay, welcome back to a quick early test showing the sensors wired up. The top one there that's flashing indicates the center position of the pendulum, and the one on the right, as I showed earlier, is the one that detects the full swing. And this one down here is the one that detects the driver. So if I move it away, move it back, you see the little light comes on just to show it's in the home position, and that's designed to be well clear of the conrod so the magnets don't influence it. Just a quick lash up on the top. There's the tiny Arduino board. There's 3 sensor cables coming in. Got a little LED display. It says it's waiting at the moment. It's waiting for the pendulum to settle down. This is the little driver board for the stepper motor. And the very simple test at the moment just starts off with the pendulum at rest. So it's waiting for the pendulum to settle down and this light to stop flashing. Once it's determined the pendulum is stationary, it will then do one kick. Right, rather than wait forever, this bull race is quite good. As regards friction, this thing will swing for quite a long time before it stops. So I'll manually stop it, and you'll see the driver kick in and back off. And the kick is just enough to move the conrod sensor arm away from the sensor and make it flash. So in theory the controller can then use those timings to work out how long the pendulum is swinging, the swing time, and it can then work out when to kick it next. That's probably going to be the trickiest part. So that's the theory. A little bit more progress than last time, but there's still quite a bit of work to do. So I'll keep you posted.